Hey guys, so this is a little video about how to do a train out on a druid in TOV. And when I say train out, I mean like a train that runs out through West TOV. Alright, so you want to load your pet up, have a sow. Right, and you want to get right here behind the first mob, cast your pet. Casting it back here actually prevents your pet from getting AE'd, so it's pretty nice. Because people can be doing some stupid shit in this room, for sure. Right, you guard your pet. Right. You don't lose your target, you just keep that glimmer, or whatever mob it is, on target. If you're fancy, you do this. Oh, never mind, not fancy enough. Alright, so the pet is guarded up here. He chilling. Now the West TOV train out. I mean, if it's an emergency, you could start it at the West door. This is the West TOV door. This is the hub, of course. So, you're probably gonna get caught.
Whatever you look, we've got the kit you'll love to lift in. Because we...
Oops. Alright, so, I'm running over to Telk right now. It's essentially you just make lefts. And, alright. This is where Telk lives. Alright, so we go here. We sit down. This is very important. This right here is kind of like the first little bridge when you go in to the four-way, to the hub, whatever you want to call it. So once I pet attack this mob all the way at the entrance with my pet, pet's there, I'm there, I'm within leash range. We want to make sure that every mob in this train passes this before we stand up. Now we'll ensure a good train out. Okay, so let's watch what I see. So how am I seeing like this? I'm just sitting against the wall. All right, there you go. All right, so boop. All right, nothing's coming yet. So the last mob was a glimmer. There it is right there. Oh, time to go. All right, and one trick is that jumping is really good, especially jumping at the top of ramps, because you get tons of distance to outrange your mobs. You can also jump up these little guys. As you can see, we're doing pretty good. I look behind me with the title menu, but the train is pretty nice and tight behind me. Yeah, I can even jump off that one. Maybe do it better than I just did though. But yeah, this train is coming in hot. Ta-da!